So now we are on paper one discussion. So similar to everything, we'll wait for it. And before let everyone connect, or we'll move to first question. So this is paper one, shift one. आई थिंक यू शुड राइट योर मार्क्स. आप लोगों ने कितना मार्क्स अचीव किया वो कृपया रख दे, नोट कर दे. सो क्या हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं? यस जी, वी विल स्टार्ट. हेलो मयंक. हेलो मयंक. तो ये के क्यूब प्लस थ्री थ्री, ओके. ये जे एडवांस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज जे एडवांस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. So limit n tending to infinity. First we have to find the summation. This is very good question, very solid question. If we add plus 1 and if we subtract 1, this is k plus 3 factorial. This is standard number. You will find in lots of the question, okay? Limit n tending to infinity. This is limit n tending to infinity. So the upper part, this is k equal to 1 to n. It is nothing but k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 minus 1 upon k plus 3 factorial. So we can open this as limit n tending to infinity. It is one summation k equal to 1 to n. This is 1 upon k factorial minus 1 upon k plus 3 factorial. So this is J advanced question. So k equal to 1, 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 4 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 5 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial. This is 1 by 6 factorial. If we go further, it is 1 by 4 factorial, 1 by 7 factorial. You will find that this has started cancelling. These all started cancelling. So we are simply getting somewhere like 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. And n is tending to infinity. So it is nothing but 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3. So the answer is 5 by 3. Sum of first three terms of AP with common difference 54. Sum of first 20 term lies between this and this. Okay, sum of first three terms of AP 3 by 2 a plus A plus 2D is equal to 54. J advanced previous year question once again. And second, sum of first 20 terms lies between. So 20 by 2, 2A plus 19D, it lies between 1600 to 2100, 1800, okay, 1800. So we can say that 2A plus 19D lies between 180 to 160, okay, and this is nothing but A plus D, 18, okay, with integer common difference lies between, okay. So what will happen? It is integer. So A is what? 18 minus integer, 18 minus D. That means A is also integer. So these are going to be integer, isn't it? So A11 is nothing but A plus 10D. We know that A plus D is 18 and we are left with 9D. So if we get the value of 9D, we can get it. So from here we can say that 2A plus 2D is 36. 36 will go both the side. 124, 17D. This is 36 going this side. 44. So D is 124 by 17. 144 by 17. This is 7 point something. This is 8 point something. So between 7 point something to 8 lies 8. So it is nothing but 18 plus 72, 90. Okay. That was JEE Mains previous year question. So this is I. Now we have to work with this. Work with the upper part. So we can simply convert them in half angle. Can we do it? Or 9 square, 81 plus 256. So we will have to think it or what? Let's try it, okay? 80, 0 to pi by 2, 10x plus 1, 9 10x plus 16 dx. Multiply 9 both the sides. We'll do it 9I by 80, 0 to pi by 2, 9 10x plus 15 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7. So it is dx plus 7 minus 7 is 0 to pi by 2 plus 7 minus 7. It is 9 10x plus 16. Okay. This came out with pi by 2. Okay. This is pi by 2. We'll have to work on this. One more thing we can say is that we can write 9 sin x plus 16 cos x as a of 9 sin x No, what I am trying to say is this, okay? What I am trying to say is this. We can say that sine x plus cos x is a time 9 sine x plus 16 cos x plus b time differentiation of up, which is 9 cos x minus 16 sin x. So if we try to see, it is 9a plus 9b, 9a plus 9b note, it is 9a minus 16b, it is sin x plus 16a plus 9b cos x. This is one. 16a plus 9b equal to 1. We'll have to solve this. So we'll multiply first with 16. Multiply this with 9. Subtract it. So b is minus 7 by 337. So similarly, a will come out to be, if we put b, 337 63 upon 337 plus 16 into 16. So we can write this number I by 80 as this by this. So this divided by this number will be a dx, which is a pi by 2. A is nothing but 400 by 337 into 16 into pi by 2. And the second one is b dx by x, which is ln, minus 7 337 ln 9 sin x plus 16 cos x. This is 0 to pi by 2. So I is 80. 200 into 80 pi by 337 into 16. This is minus 560. 337 at pi by 2. This is 9. At 0. This is 16. So ln 9 by 16. This is going to be your answer. Let R be a relation defined on 0 to pi such that x belongs to R. So we can simply say that sec square x is sec square y. So equivalence relation. If x and x is there, this is correct. Okay. This is going to be reflexive. If xy is correct, then yx is also correct. Yes. So symmetric. If xy is correct, yz is correct, that means xz is also going to be correct. if it is 2n pi x, this is 2n pi plus x, so it will be valid. So it's a transitive also. Equivalence relation, so option 1 is correct. Equivalence. Thanks. Z lies on this, Z2 lies on this, then Z2 minus Z1 minimum. Okay, so Z2 minus Z1 minimum is mod of Z1 minus mod of Z2. This is what we have to find. So this is Z1. Okay, Z1 maximum value is 1 minus, so mod of 8 minus 2 iota is 68, root 68. So we can say 1 minus root 68, 1 plus minus root 68, okay, minus 2 plus minus root 38. This is the mod. So we'll first take both the plus. When taking both plus, it is going to be 1 minus 2 minus 1, both plus. So root 68 minus root 38. Okay. So this is somewhere near to, this is 8, this is 6. So 8 minus 7 near to 1. When we are going to take 1 plus 1 minus, first one plus, this is minus 1 root 68, second minus root 38. So this is more than 1. Now we have what? Both plus, both minus. Both minus is going to be more than 1 again. And first minus second plus. This is going to be minus 1 minus root 68 plus root 38. This is more than 1. So this is the value which is minimum. Okay. This is the minimum value. Root 68 minus root 38 minus 1. If we don't know this approach, we can have method 2. So method 2 is what? This is x plus iota y, and this is 1. So we can say 1 plus 8 cos theta and no, it is 8 plus cos theta, and this is minus 2 plus sin theta. So we are going to have two different terms. This is the term, this is the term. So what can happen? We can find the distance between their center. So first we will have to go with the pictorial. Okay, second way is pictorial way. Okay, second way is pictorial way. Pictorial way is one center is 8 comma minus 2 and second center is 2 comma 6. The distance between this center and this center is 36 plus 48. 36 plus 48 is what? Root 84. The distance between them is root 84. Now this is a circle. This is a circle. Root 84 is, this is 2, this is 1. Root 84 is more than 3. That means if we calculate the distance between them and minus 3, that means root 84 minus 3 is the minimum distance. Okay. So this is the minimum distance. So the answer is different. We can say this is the trusted. This is the trusted. Here we did not apply inequality correctly. We can say that, okay? We did not apply inequality correctly. Note, correctly applied. Okay? So this is the answer, trusted. Cos inverse pi, sin inverse, sin inverse, sin inverse. Okay? Sum of all values of x. So can we take sine both the side? This is pi by 2 minus cos x. Okay. We have cos inverse x pi sine inverse. Pi plus sine inverse. We'll do cos minus pi, or we can do sine inverse pi by 2. So we'll add sine inverse both the side, we'll get pi by 2 minus pi sine inverse x sine inverse 2x minus 1. This is minus pi by 2. And this is sine inverse x. This is sine inverse 2x minus 1. We'll have sine inverse minus x pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 minus 2x, which is nothing but cos inverse 1 minus 2x, and this is sine inverse minus x. Okay. So now what will happen? This has fall into some identity. So we'll take cos both the sides. So cos sine inverse minus x is equal to 1 minus 2x. So it is somewhere cos sine inverse x 1 minus 2x. Now sine inverse, if you see in a triangle, this is base into hypotenuse. This is nothing but 1 minus x squared. So cos inverse, sine inverse will convert into cos inverse root under 1 minus x squared, which is 1 minus x squared equal to 1 minus 2x whole square. We'll solve it further. 1 minus x square equal to 1 plus 4x square minus 4x, which further solving 5x square minus 4x equal to 0. X equal to 0, 4 by 5. Now what will happen? So it should be between minus 1 to 1. So 0 to minus 1 to 1, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 should be minus 1 to 1. If we add, it is 0, x, 1. 0 to 1 by 2. So 0 is also there, 4 by 5 is also there. So all the values are 0 and 4 by 5. So I think we got it. So Chiranjeevi, today's exam was a bit lengthy, but doable question. Okay. So LX L mean. So first we'll go with the operation. This is 1 0. So row 3 minus row 1, row 2 minus row 1. Minus 1, okay, minus 1. 0 1 sin square x 1 plus cos square x sin 4x on expansion sin square x minus 1 1 plus cos square x 1 plus cos square x plus sin 4x. We are going to get sin square x minus 1 minus cos square x minus sin 4x. This is nothing but minus 2 minus sin 4x. So L mean is minus 3, L max is minus 1. So M4 minus M4 mod 80. Alpha beta are real numbers such that, so this is previous paper repetition. We can write it as 1 plus alpha square 1 plus beta square equal to 36 alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta both the sides is 34 plus 2 alpha beta. This is alpha plus beta whole square, which is 64 minus 34 equal to 2 times alpha beta. We can say that alpha beta is 15. We are told that alpha plus beta is 8. So can we say that alpha is 5, beta is 3? So alpha cube plus beta cube is nothing but 125 plus 27. This is 152. Okay. How many 6-letter words can we form using the word maths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Such that any letter can be used maximum 2 times. So if 2m 6 factorial by 2 factorial 2a 2t, so it is somewhere 5 multiple. So this is 720 into 5, 360 into 5, 1800. Okay. A triangle is formed by 3 lines. This. H comma K is image of centroid. Okay, so we'll have to find all the corner points. So this is again the repeated question from one of your set. This is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. We have x plus y equal to 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 7. If you solve the equation from here, which point we are going? This is A, this is B, this is C. 4a we are calculating. So multiply this with 3, this with 2. 6x 9y equal to 15. 6x plus 8y equal to 14. So y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. x equal to 1. Now for b, we are calculating for b. Simply 2 times of x will get minus. So it will become y. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 3. Okay, 2 times of that minus. Y equal to 3, x equal to minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2. And now for c, 3 times of minus. That means y equal to 4, x equal to minus 3. So centroid is going to be a plus b plus c minus 5 plus 1, 4 by 3, 8 by 3. So image of this in this line, x minus x plus 4 by 3 by 2, y minus 8 by 3 by 4 equal to minus 2 times of minus 8 by 3 plus 32 by 3 minus 7 equal to 20. We can get x and y. This is simply 24 by 3, 8, 1, minus 2, minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10. This is nothing but minus 1 by 10. So x could be 1 by 5, minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 5. And y could be, this is minus 1 by 10, 4, minus 2 by 5. So whatever we calculated x equal to this and y equal to, this is what we calculated. Okay, this is simply we calculated the value. Okay, so now we have h square plus this is h, this is k. So h square plus k square plus hk is coming out to be somewhere rough 23 whole square 15 whole square minus 23 into 15 by 15 whole square. You can calculate these values. Okay, you can calculate simply saying that 23 common, 28 into 23 plus 15 whole square upon 15 whole square. Okay, now this is the question. Two lines are given. Let a line L3 passes through alpha comma beta comma gamma such that L3 is perpendicular to L1 to L2 perpendicular from L2 L1 such that L3 is perpendicular to L1 to L2 and L3 intersect L1. This question has some language mistake. This question has some language mistake. We are left with 6 questions. Yes. So we are left with 6 questions. We'll go from the descending order. Okay, because that has some language. A is this, B is this, A cross C is B cross C. So we can say that A vector cross C vector is minus of B vector cross C vector. We can say A vector plus B vector cross C vector is 0. That means they are parallel. A vector plus B vector is lambda times C vector. Okay? Or C vector is lambda time A vector plus B vector. So we can simply say it is lambda time 5 minus 6 4. Okay, this is C vector. A vector plus C vector into B vector plus C vector is 168. Okay, so we can simply say that mod C whole square is lambda square 25 plus 16 41 41 plus 36 77. So we have to find the value of lambda. So from A plus C we can find second A plus C. A plus C is 2 plus 5 lambda minus 1 minus 6 lambda 3 plus 4 lambda into B plus C lambda. Or without doing this it is going to be difficult. Okay, so we will won't be following this way. We are simply finding A vector dot B vector A plus B vector C vector whole square vector equal to 168. Further going, A dot B is nothing but 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14 plus A plus B, and this is lambda times A plus B is 5 minus 6 comma 4, and C vector is also lambda times, so A plus B is lambda time A plus B is C vector is lambda time A plus B, so lambda A plus B whole square, and this is lambda square 77, which is 168. We can simply say 154. This is lambda, this is 25 36, 25 plus 36 61 plus 16 77. So we are simply getting lambda square plus lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda equal to 1 and minus 2. So mod value could be 77 or 4 into 77. Two parabola have same focus, common focus at 4, 3, intersect at AB. Then the value of AB square, given that directrix of this parabola are along x-axis and y-axis respectively. This is y, this is x. So focus is 4, 3. One is directrix this. This is the way, and one directrix is this. So they intersect at A, B. one has x-axis, so if we go somewhere like this, okay, so AB square, so they have got same focus, okay. This is A, this is B. We'll have to think on this, okay. Before thinking to this, we are moving previously, okay. Now this question, the minimum value of P such that this and this. So what will happen? Uh, this is greatest integer, okay. So we can say that limit x tending to 0 plus, this is x 1 by x minus fractional 1 by x, 2 by x minus fractional 2 by x, plus dot 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 p by x minus fractional p by x. We have minus x square 1 by x square minus fractional 1 by x square, 2 by x square is minus fractional 2 by x square, plus dot 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 9 by x square minus fractional 9 by x whole square. We are told that this is bigger than equal to 1, okay. Now if we sum it, it is nothing but limit x tending to 0 plus p plus 1 by 2, and this is minus x great fractional integer 1 by x 2 by x. This is some variable, okay. This is fractional 1 by x, fractional 2 by x, dot 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 fractional p by x, okay. And from here similarly we are going to get 9 plus 1 by 2. This is 45 minus minus plus x square greatest integer 1 by x square, greatest integer 2 by x square, plus dot 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 greatest integer 9 by x square, okay. This is further going as p plus 1 by 2 minus x 1 by x 2 by x dot 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 p by x. This is 45 minus x square 1 by x square 2 by x square dot 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 9 by x square. This is greater than equal to 1. X is tending to 0. Limit x tending to 0. Yes. So at 0 plus it is infinity, and this is infinity into 0. We have p plus 1 by 2 plus 45. So what will happen? This will go up to, we can say that uh, it is p, it is 111. If it is, even if it is the bigger number, it is going to be px, p into x. And if it is even bigger number, it is going to be x square into 9. If it is maximum, that means it is 1, it is going to be 1, and x is tending to 0. So it is p plus 1 by 2 plus 45 bigger than equal to 1. So we can say that p square plus p is bigger than equal to minus 88. So p into p plus 1 is what? Minus 88. So I think p is some value, or this is the answer. I think p is the value, or this is the answer. Okay, p is some value, or this is the answer. Number of 7-digit numbers made with 1, 2, 3 such that sum of the digit is 11. So what will happen? We have 7 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we put 6 times 1, 7 times 1, it is 7. 6 times 1, it is going to be maximum 9. 5 times 1, and 5 times 1, 5 ones, 2 threes. This is going to be 11. Okay? No, 3, it is wrong. 5 ones, 2 threes. Okay? So this is going to be 11. Now from here onwards, we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. So we can shift 1 this side. It is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. We can shift 1 more this side. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is somewhere 7 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 factorial. This is somewhere 7 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial. This is somewhere 7 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial. So let's calculate. 7 6 is 42. 42 by 2, 21. 765. 765. So 42. This is 765. 105. So total number is 105, 42, 21, 168 is the total number of such possibilities. Area enclosed by y bigger than equal to this thing, and y is this thing, and this thing is this thing. X minus 1. Okay, y is bigger than equal to, that means this side. Yes, y3 minus mod x, y3 minus mod x. So when x is positive, it is 3 minus x. When x is positive, that means 3 minus x. So it is somewhere going like this. And x is bigger than 0, 3 plus x, like this. Okay, so we are talking about this area. And x square equal to 2y, so y equal to, we have y bigger than equal to x square plus 3 by 2. So add 3 by 2, this is 1, this is 0 comma 3, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is somewhere here. The intersection point is what? If we calculate the intersection point, 1 minus x equal to 3 plus x. So x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 2. So a line is going like this below this point. Okay, and we have a curve x square by 3. So x equal to minus 1, this is 2, and this is also 2. So they are intersecting here. They are intersecting here and going like this. And this is somewhere x equal to 1. So it is 2. It is symmetrical. And 0 comma 0, it is positive. So we have to find which area then. We have to find, so x square, and if we put 0 comma 0, so it is going to be 3 by 2 less than 0, which is not possible. So I think we have to find this area. We have to find this area. Okay, so this line we know, equation of this line. One is this line. Okay, this line is outcome of which line? This line, and this line. So it is nothing but integration. So these both sides are symmetrical. So we'll do 2 times of, the point of intersection is nothing but 1. Their point of intersection is 1. At 1 it is 2. At 1 it is 2. So 0 to 1, this value is 3 minus x. 3 minus x, and that line is minus of 3 plus x square by 2. We are doing dx of this thing. So this is the normal area. This is the area we have to find. So it is nothing but 2, 3, x square by 2 is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 3x is 3, x cube by 3 is 1 by 3. This is what we have to find. So normal calculating, it is 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1 by 6, 5 by 3. So this is A. Capital A is 5 by 3, 6a is 10. We got the answer. The minimum value of n for which integer terms in the binomial expansion is this thing. Okay. So integer term NCR 7 r by 3 11 n minus r by 12. It should be integer. So minimum value of n, that means when we put r equal to 0, n should be 12. Okay. Okay. So this is what, n equal to 12, and let's try whether the sum is coming out to be 183 or not. So when r is 0, nc 0, 11 to the power 12 by 1, okay. When r is 3, nc 3, 7 to the power 1, 12 minus 3, it is nothing, okay. So this is not coming, this is coming out in the form of 9 by 12. So we have to find the integer term. So this is 11, okay. And we'll keep on doing n equal to 6, 2 integer node, 9, 12. So it will go n equal to 12. So 12 C12, 7 to the power 4. So 7 to the power 4 is what? It is more than that, okay. If we put n equal to 12, we are going more than that. This is 49 into 49. That means 343 into 7. So what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? We can do one thing is that it is 183. The multiple of 3 and multiple of 12. If it is 12 only. Okay. And C 12 lambda is 7 4 lambda 1 into 11 n by 12 minus lambda 1. So if we go by hit and trial, it will also work. N equal to 3 if we take, so 3c 3 7 to the power 1, which is not, n equal to 6 6 c 6 7 square 49, n equal to 9, it will go 183. So 7 n equal to this, n equal to 7. Okay, number of integer terms. Okay, number of integer terms. Okay, we are doing something different. Number of integer term is 183. Okay, so NCR 7 to the power r by 3, 11 to the power n minus r by 12. So number of integer terms, that means it should be, so r equal to 0, n equal to 12 lambda, r equal to 3, uh, r is 3 lambda 1, n minus r is 12 lambda 2. So n is 12 lambda 2 plus 3 lambda 1. It is somewhere 4 lambda 2 plus lambda 1. So n is this. So lambda 1 and lambda 2 will put it. So what will happen? We'll first see the terms. We'll see the terms. So okay, we'll have like r by 3, 7 to the power r by 3. This is 11. N minus r by 12. It should be the integer term should come out to be 183. So what should happen? We'll put n. For example, r is 0, n is 12 lambda, r is 3, n is 12 lambda plus 3, r is 6. So this will go up to r equal to 183. N will become 12 lambda plus 183. Okay. So if we put lambda equal to 0, if we put lambda equal to 0, so r is 0, n by 12. Okay, this should be multiple of 183. Do we have any option? we have to make it multiple of lambda. Okay. Okay, so n should be like n should be, if we do 12 into 12 10 ja 122, if we add 12, if we divide it by 12, okay, we are going to get 12 1 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. Okay, wait. So n is 12 lambda plus 183. So if we divide it by 12, we are going to get lambda, and we are going to get 12 1 ja 12, 60 plus 3 by 12. So now this lambda and 3 by 12. Okay. It should be going to be the multiple 12 lambda plus 3 multiple of 12. Let's move back. Okay. So we have three question which has few mistakes maybe. So we have few mistakes in three question. We will deal with that question. Okay. Or we'll consider this question as L1 is one line, L2 is second line. A line is perpendicular to both. I think they are trying to say this. So if we do cross, we'll get this point. Okay. And point on L2 is minus lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 2 lambda, and point on this is mu plus 1 minus mu plus 2, 2 mu plus 1. Okay, this passes through alpha beta gamma. Okay, so we'll do I j k 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 1. This is I vector minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, 1 plus 2 3 plus k cap 2 minus 1 1. So this is the perpendicular vector. If we find mu plus 1 minus 2 lambda minus 2 minus mu minus 2 lambda, 2 mu minus lambda plus 1, and we have this, they are in the same ratio. That means mu minus 2 lambda minus 1 upon minus 5 is equal to minus mu minus 2 lambda upon minus 3 equal to 2 mu minus lambda plus 1 upon 1. So if you solve it individually, we have mu minus 2 lambda minus 1 equal to minus 10 mu plus 5 lambda minus 5. We are going to get 11 mu minus 7 lambda equal to minus 4. Second equation, this is the first equation. Second equation, we are going to get it as minus mu minus 2 lambda equal to 6 mu minus 6 mu. Okay, or we'll do plus, and here it will become plus. Okay, 6 mu minus 3 lambda plus 3. It is 5 mu minus 5 lambda equal to minus 3. So we got two equations. So we'll solve in the next page. Mu minus lambda equal to minus 3 by 5 and 11 mu minus 7 lambda equal to minus 4. We'll multiply this with 11 and then subtract with this. So this is 11, 4 lambda minus 4, 33 by 5, 6.6, 2.6, 4 lambda, lambda equal to 1.3 by 2, 13 by 20. So lambda we got. So we got lambda. So this point is minus 13 by 20, which is 33 by 20. This is 13 by 20. So 13 by 10. 13 plus 20 by 10. 33 by 10. 13 by 20. Okay. So we have to find alpha, beta, gamma. So we can say that alpha plus 33 by 20, beta minus 33 by 10, gamma minus 13 by 20. This is equal to, so we'll get this point. We'll find the mu and we'll get this point. So let's find the mu. So lambda is this. If you put lambda here, mu is going to be 13 plus 12 by 20, 1 by 20. So mu is going to be 21 by 20, 39 by 20, 11 by 10. So if we do, it is 21 by 20 minus alpha, 39 by 20 minus beta, 11 by 10 minus gamma. So if you calculate it, we can get it, I think. And we can say it is also equal to minus 5, minus 3, 1. This direction ratio. So they are all are in ratio, isn't it? So they are in ratio. How should we proceed? We should tell that alpha plus 33 by 20 upon 21 by 20 minus alpha is equal to. So all the ratios are same. So if you go equal to, it will go lengthy. I think yes. This is 1. Uh, So we can calculate alpha from here also, from here. It will depend on the question, because it is saying it intersect L1, it does not intersect L2. So we have questions, a bit little question, or maybe you can find alpha from here. Let's don't waste the time, okay? In this binomial expansion, what is the term of n? So we'll give it some time. Uh, we can say n is 183 into 12. This could be the term. 11 to the power this, 7 to the power 12 by 3, and 183 into 12, C 12. So it will be 180, so it will be 182. This is R. 181, 180, dot 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 0. So when it is 0, it is 180, 183. It is 183 into 12 by 3. So other term are, so we have n equal to 183 into 12. This is the answer. So simple question. In this question we have few things: common focus and intersect at A and B. Common focus, okay, and axis is x and y respectively. That means if one is going like this, one is going like this, so AB whole square, focus and directrix. So this is somewhere, if we consider it is y is 0 comma 3 and x is 4 comma 0. So we can write the equation of parabola. So first is, this is first, this is second. So first one is, this is y square. So y midpoint is 4, this is 4 comma 3. So this point is 4 3 by 2, and this point is 2 3. So first is y minus 3 whole square, x minus 2 into 4. A is what? 2a. 2a is 4, so a is 2. So it is y minus 3 whole square equal to 8 x minus 2. From second, if we see, it is x minus 4 whole square equal to 2a. 2a is 3. 2a is 3. So a is 3 by 2. 4 into 3 by 2 y minus 4. So this is x minus 4 whole square equal to 6 y minus 4. Now we'll solve both the equation. We have equation 1 y minus 3 whole square equal to 8 x minus 2. Second, x minus 4 whole square equal to 6 y minus 4. Okay, okay. How to solve it now? Their point of intersection. We have to find their point of intersection. So can we go with some hit and trial? X equal to 4 is 0. Can we go with their hit point of intersection and then find AB whole square? So we can do simply x minus 4 whole square upon 6 plus 2 equal to y. We'll put in place of y. So we'll get y minus 3 is x minus 4 whole square by 6 minus 1 whole square is equal to 8x minus 16. This is x minus 4 whole square minus 6 whole square equal to 36 into 8 x minus 128. So can we form this in the form of x minus 4? 16 8 ja. I am trying to form this as x minus 4. This is minus 128 minus 4 plus 4, which is 36 into 32, and this is 36 into 8 x minus 4, and this is x minus 4 to the power 4, 36 minus 12 x minus 4 whole square. So we can simply say that it is t to the power 4 plus 36 minus 12t equal to 36 into 32 minus 128 plus 36 into 8 into t. If you solve it, it is nothing but 32 into 4, which is going to be 32 whole square, and this is plus 36 into 8 into t. This is 2 square. Okay, t to the power 4 plus 36 minus 12t square. Can we go with some hit and trial? Can we go with some hit and trial? We are going t to the power 4. T to the power 4 minus 12t square minus t 1024. This is it. equal to 0. So we can go with some hit and trial, find the value of t. So I will help you to solve, or we'll have to see whether the question data are missing or something is there. Otherwise that we are done with all the question. We are done with all the questions otherwise then. So thank you everyone.